In just 2 years, prompt engineering has vanished from the tech scene. This once hot job focused on crafting effective questions for AI systems. Companies initially sought skilled prompt engineers to get the best outputs from large language models. However, these skills are now expected across roles, not as standalone jobs. Malcolm Frank, CEO of Talent Genius, notes that prompt engineering has merged into other roles. Today, AI can write effective prompts itself. This shift illustrates the changing landscape of the AI job market. Flashy roles may prove short-lived, as AI transforms existing jobs rather than creating new ones. Prompt engineering was popular due to its accessibility. Anyone could learn this skill without extensive technical know-how. However, its general nature made it easy to replace. Frank likens it to being an Excel wizard. Good skills, but not standalone jobs. AI is evolving rapidly, indicating that lower-level tasks may soon disappear. Frank warns that, as AI grows, it may replace many tasks, impacting thousands of workers. Although proponents argue that AI creates as many jobs as it disrupts, the reality might be different. Tim Tully from Menlo Ventures agrees. He sees AI reshaping how we work rather than creating entirely new job titles. People now regularly use AI to enhance productivity, making it a fundamental part of work. Is prompt engineering even a real role? Alison Shrivastava from the Indeed Hiring Lab states it often blends into others, like machine learning engineering. Even in 2023, the term did not correlate with a significant number of job postings. The North American market for prompt engineering reached $75.5 million in 2023, reflecting interest, but perhaps not formal roles. Aline Lerner, CEO of Interviewing.io, points out that prompt engineering served as an appealing entry point for many. However, the actual demand might not have matched the buzz. Lerner observes a notable trend. While the need for prompt engineers declines, the demand for machine learning engineers rises. These engineers build models rather than just interacting with them. In recent months, the demand for interviews for machine learning engineers surged over 3 times. The promising AI job landscape may diminish for those lacking coding skills. Machine learning roles require significant expertise and years of training. Meanwhile, opportunities in management consulting and founding companies are emerging for non-coders. Shrivastava predicts AI's influence will spread across various sectors. Companies will increasingly need personnel to integrate AI technology effectively. In conclusion, the rise and fall of prompt engineering represents broader trends in the AI job market. While once seen as a dedicated role, it highlights how technology reshapes existing positions. Keep an eye on how AI continues to evolve and what new skills might be needed. If you're interested in staying updated on the latest trends, subscribe for more insights.